Welcome to TechLipart channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to move icon position on Microsoft Word. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word. After open the Word, just open up any document. You can see in my document the icon is already inserted. Now if I try to move the icon, just select it, and you can see I cannot move the icon position. It's still locked. So if you want to move your icon position, just select it and then click on this icon at the corner. After that, click on see more option, then click on text wrapping. Choose any option. If I select in front of text and then click on OK. Now if I select the icon, and now you can see I can easily move the icon position anywhere. If you cannot find this option here, just click on graphics format tab and then click on wrap text, and that's it. If I select in front of text, and it's done. And that is how you can change icon position on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.